Hey, how's it going today? And I got a 11 Pro Max that has got a little cracked over here. I think they need to change the screen, so we're gonna do it. First thing, same thing as other phones, we have to get those screws down the bottom. Let's see how long it's gonna take me to fix this one right here. Looks like the frame is a little beat up. I'm just gonna go through the sides like this, open it up little by little, and I'm gonna hold it from the bottom and just take up little by little because you still don't know what's inside. Okay. Now, there we go. It's the 11 Pro Max. So you got two wires for the screen, and then you have the earpiece with the face recognition. We'll get the battery disconnected first. We're gonna put all the screws on order so we'll know where they goes to and how to put them back. So these two right here is for the battery. And the battery is gonna be right here. It's this one. It's disconnected. I like the way it looks from the inside. It's a little different than other phones and other iPhones. I have changed something finally, so I got about 6 screws here. Take them out and put them by order so you'll know where they goes back to. Okay. There we go. So now we gotta disconnect 1, 2, 3. Let's start with this one. Let's use this one. Right here. And that one. And that one. And the screen is loose. Now we're just gonna test the new screen on it. This one right here. Reconnect the battery. And we're gonna test it again. Alright, the screen is good. So now, disconnect the battery again. And gonna disconnect that screen again. Okay. I'm gonna leave this for a second. Now we get over here. It's gonna be, we're gonna have to take this part and put it on the new screen. 3 screws, 2 big ones and 1 small one. I'm just one right here. At least have the screws in the way. And be careful with these. That low one on top. Alright, now see, this thing is loose, so all you have to do is just I'm gonna heat up the bottom right here, and that will actually, you know, make the whole thing loose and we can get it out. So not gonna put a lot of heat on it. And now I'll just lean this down and we'll start lifting up from here. I want the whole thing because the other screen just didn't come with this part also. So I'm trying to get with the camera's places. Okay. You know, easy that came out. I'm just gonna put it back the way it was. We've done from that one. We'll bring it to recycle. Actually, I'm not done from it. So now we just have to put back this thing back in place the way it was. So first I'm gonna start with the small one. I don't like this small screw on the top. Always, I hate it. God. I don't know why would they make it that small. Like, come on. Okay. I'll take the other two. All right, now it's ready. All we have to do is just hook up all this back the way it was. This is this one first. Just be careful not to push too much on it. It will go easy, but because you know you don't want to mess up the grill. Okay, now everything is connected. The battery is connected. I'm gonna turn it on. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back together again. Okay, and just grab the screws one by one. last thing is the battery cover. That should be good. All right, yeah. Everything's great. Just gonna put it back together, start from the top. And just shove it down the bottom. And we're just gonna close it with these. And that's it. Y'all have a good day.